Today I am reviewing Huness 16PROMAX smartphone. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video.
If you're looking for a feature-packed Android smartphone that combines performance, design, and value, the Huness 16 Pro Max might be exactly what you've been waiting for. This unlocked 5G smartphone delivers impressive specs and a premium experience at a price that's hard to beat. Let's dive into what makes this device stand out in 2025. First impressions are strong. The Huness 16 Pro Max in deep purple looks and feels premium right out of the box. The slim, sleek design, curved edges, and massive 6.99-inch OLED display make it instantly appealing. The screen resolution of 1440 by 3040 ensures every image, video, or game looks sharp and vibrant. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming, or browsing social media, the display delivers rich colors and excellent contrast that make visuals truly pop. The phone runs on the latest Android 14, bringing smoother animations, improved multitasking, and advanced privacy controls. The interface feels fast, responsive, and modern. It's a clean experience that's perfect for both casual users and tech enthusiasts. Powering this smartphone is a combination of 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of internal storage, plus an additional 128 gigabytes memory card included in the box. That gives you more than enough space for all your apps, photos, and videos. You can multitask effortlessly, switching between heavy apps, games, and browser tabs without lag. This kind of performance isn't something you usually find at this price point, and it's one of the major reasons why the 16 Pro Max stands out among budget-friendly 5G phones. Now, let's talk about what most people really care about, the camera system. The 108-megapixel rear camera delivers crisp, detailed photos with great color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. Landscapes look vivid, portraits look natural, and close-up shots capture impressive detail. The 68-megapixel front-facing camera is perfect for selfies, video calls, or content creation. Whether you're snapping pictures for social media or recording videos for YouTube, the results are stunning for a phone in this category. The 16 Pro Max also supports 1080p video recording, giving you clear, smooth footage that's perfect for everyday use. And thanks to the phone's large screen, you can easily edit and review your videos right from the device. Security is another area where Huness has paid close attention. You get Face ID and Fingerprint Unlock, both of which are fast and reliable. The fingerprint sensor is conveniently placed, while Face ID offers quick access with just a glance. These features ensure your personal data stays protected without sacrificing convenience. The phone supports dual SIM cards and global 5G connectivity, which means you can use two numbers at once, perfect for balancing work and personal life. The 2+1 card slot design even lets you add a TF memory card alongside your SIM cards. Whether you're traveling or switching carriers, this flexibility is a major plus. When it comes to everyday usability, the Huness 16 Pro Max delivers solid performance across the board. The large display is great for watching movies, gaming, or reading. Connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and FM radio make it an all-in-one device for modern users. Battery life is equally impressive. The device houses a 19.35 watt-hour battery, which easily powers you through a full day of heavy use, streaming, gaming, photography, and more. It charges quickly using a USB Type-C connection, so you can get back to full power without waiting too long. Inside the box, you get everything you need: the smartphone itself, a protective case, a screen protector, a headset, a USB-C charging cable, a power adapter, and even a pen and SIM clip. Huness clearly wanted to deliver a complete, ready-to-use experience, and that's exactly what you get here. Now, when we look at the overall package, Android 14, 16 gigabytes of RAM, massive 512 gigabytes of storage, an OLED display, dual SIM 5G support, high-resolution cameras, and reliable biometrics, it's clear the Huness 16 Pro Max offers tremendous value. It's the kind of phone that feels like a flagship, but at a much more accessible price point. Whether you're a student, a business professional, a traveler, or simply someone who wants great performance without spending a fortune, the 16 Pro Max ticks all the right boxes. It's stylish, powerful, and practical, a true all-rounder. In summary, the Huness 16 Pro Max smartphone proves that you don't need to spend thousands to get a high-quality smartphone experience. With its sharp display, strong performance, capable cameras, and global 5G connectivity, it's one of the best value phones of 2025. If you're ready to upgrade, this is a smartphone that's definitely worth considering. The Huness 16 Pro Max gives you everything you need and a little more.